How to add user by username on Telegram. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add user by username on Telegram. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Telegram application on your device. Now in here, make sure you are signed in and now tap on either the Chats tab or the Contacts tab. You will then see a search bar, tap on that and go ahead and enter the username of the individual you want to add. You will then start seeing the results gradually while you are entering the username. I will enter the contact number here instead of the username. Nevertheless, the process is still the same no matter if you are entering the username or the phone number. Once the person you are searching for appears, tap on the name. You will then see the option for add. Tap on that and then enter the contact information like the contact name and tap on the create button on the top right of your screen, and this is how you can add user by username on Telegram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.